Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. For those who have already subscribed to this channel, thank you so much. And for those who haven't already, I hope you will consider subscribing if you like the content of this video. Well, it has been a very busy, crazy time for me, working full-time, and at the same time I got burned out, so I have to take a break. I'm glad I'm able to take care of myself and get back. Here I am, guys. So today is going to be a different video because I'm going to show you what kept me busy. So in this situation where we're in right now and we don't have enough savings to sustain us for 2 years, there's people out of their jobs, people staying more at home. I think we need to learn something to do and sell those things to make some passive income. Well, that's what I'm going to show you, how I made some passive income, because I believe that it will take more than 2 years to be out of the situation where we are in right now. So this is what I've been doing, guys. Since I've been making videos about face masks, I've been selling different kinds of face masks to my friends, family, and also in another platform, which is the Facebook market. And I'm also making face pots. Since during the pandemic, people are into plants. There's a lot of demands for pots and stores are just running out of pots. So I thought, oh, this is a good time to make pots that are cute and I could make some little money. So this video will teach you how to make pots, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave in the comment box. Guys, if you need a really detailed video tutorial of how to make a face pot, I'm going to provide a link of another video in the description box of this video, and also you can check it out in the comment box section. So guys, keep on watching. So guys, one tip is that for you to be able to save and not spend so much for this project, go through your home first and check out what's available. Be resourceful, what things you have available already that you can use to decorate your face pot. And guys, you can also buy acrylic paint from the 99 cents and the Dollar Tree store. Like this one here I'm showing you. This is what I got from the Dollar Tree store. These are the different face pots that I make. It's planters for small plants, succulents, and cacti. You will be needing small ceramic pots for the face and a bottom one for the body or base. One goes to the top and the other one goes to the bottom. You will need an adhesive or bonding glue to put the ceramics together, acrylic paints, a detailed paintbrush or a marker, and you will also be needing an acrylic sealer matte finish and some accessories that you want to use to decorate your face pot or planter. You can also use a mug, and it's really up to you what type of small pot you want to use. So you glue the bottom first and then the top and put them together. Make sure both pots are aligned and glued together in place, and you can let it dry for 24 hours. You can use any size and any color for your top, and you can also use any style for the bottom as long as it resembles a face and a body. When you glue both pots together, make sure that they're aligned. When you let them air dry, let them sit in an area where it cannot be moved, so it will stay in place until it's dry. You can use any acrylic paint to paint the eyes, the nose, and the lips. You can also use a marker because you will seal it later on with an acrylic sealer. So guys, I will be showing you how I paint the eyebrows and the eyes and the nose and the lips. So for this particular face pot, I'm trying to make eyes that's closed with lashes. After painting the eyes and the lips, you can then start spraying an acrylic sealer. I'm using here an acrylic sealer matte finish, but you can also use a glossy one if you like. For spraying the sealer, you can do it outdoors, and you can also wear a face mask for safety. The spray bottle before applying the sealer on the surface. Just spray in a swipe motion because you're actually only trying to seal the part of the eyes and the lips. When the sealer is dry, you can start applying accessories and decorating your face pot. So guys, you can create your own design. You can have closed eyes, open eyes, heart-shaped lips, different colors of lips. You can put accessories like sashes, bows, brooches. It's really up to you, as long as it looks colorful and pretty. So I'm showing you here that you can make use of a fabric using this design. You can put it as a headgear or a headband, and you can also put it as a scarf. And since I have a lot of this mini children's mask, face mask, I also thought I would make a face pot with a face mask. So to attach the face mask, you can just put it over the cup or the top part of the face pot. And this one has a handle, so you can just put one elastic over the handle like this. And then the other side, you can just put it together by tying a knot or put a sash or a pipe cleaner or a ribbon or anything that can put it together. If you like to reinforce the face mask on top of the surface, you can also use a hot glue and glue it together. Painting the eyes using the brush, you can start with drawing and outlining using a pencil. You can then start putting a small amount of acrylic paint and prepare your paintbrush so that you can paint the eyes and put some details. So using a paintbrush, you outline the eyes and you can paint over it if you want to make the eyes look sharper. Always make your face spots colorful by creating a different hair color, putting eyeshadow, lipstick, or blush, put beads around the color. You can also put bows on the hair, brooches, old accessories that you don't need anymore. You can use that for your face spot. And if you want to put different hair colors, you can do that too. This type of face pot or planter is suitable for indoors only. It can really be cute for your succulents, cacti, or small plants. So to attach the accessories, you would need a hot glue or glue gun to make it stay in place. Guys, you can always create your own design and style for your face pot and planters. And your creation is always the best because your creation gives you much happiness, and I believe you can do it. much for hanging out with me today. I hope you were able to get some ideas on how to make different designs of vase pots or planters. So don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So I will be seeing you next time, and thank you so much.